hey John, how do we do blood tests with Titan Medical Center? Do you send us out a kit and do we have to give the blood and then send it back to you and then you run the test? No, that's not how you do it. There's a reason why. The reason is because if we send you a kit, and there are places that do this, and you press your little finger on there and prick it and get the blood, and then at that point you got to send it back. There's a couple different things. One, you may not be getting enough blood for that sample. If you go to a professional lab where it's sterile, okay, and you're getting your blood drawn, they get those tubes of blood, there's a reason for that. Two, okay, when you send the blood back, there might be something that happens to that blood and you get a skewed result, which could be off, and they get you scared about something that you may not have a problem with. So to get your blood tested with Titan Medical Center, all you have to do is just give us a call, 727-389-3220, and we can set you up with a lab in your area and your zip code. Okay, we just get some information over the phone. We'll get the payment for your blood package. We do a number of different tests, from food allergy testing to STD testing to hormone testing to regular liver, kidneys, cholesterol, and all that good stuff. So if you want to get a blood test through Titan Medical Center, it's very easy and very simple. Just give us a call.